Listen to that sound. That is not a soundtrack. That is the actual radio emission of Saturn screaming into the void. For centuries, we saw it as a jewel, the jewel of the solar system. A golden giant with a halo of light, floating peacefully in the dark. We called it beautiful, but beauty is the ultimate trap. Saturn is not peaceful. It is a violent colossus, a ball of hydrogen and helium spinning so fast that it flattens itself into the shape of a pumpkin. It is a world of impossible storms, of hexagon-shaped nightmares, and of a gravity so cruel it rips entire moons apart to decorate itself. Welcome to the Lord of Chaos. Let's start with the crown, the rings. From Earth, they look like solid bands of pure gold, smooth, perfect, eternal.